next to the Chief Minister? I don't think so. I don't think so. He's passed the ball to Messi. What an occasion. Here it is. This is not promoting Gen Z's football dreams. It is also promoting Gen Alpha's football dream. He's a Gen Alpha standing right there to Mr. Revath Reddy himself. He's a Gen Alpha lad. Did he even realize what he's doing? There he goes with another kick. It's a strong one.
For sure, this kid will definitely keep this memory alive for his lifetime, Naveen.
No doubt at all. His parents will be so proud. His parents will be so happy with these moments. They will go out there and say a lot of stories. They will actually, I'm so happy that they will fund his dreams. That's really important because, yeah, I keep saying play sport, but I'll tell you what, playing any kind of sport, of course, has a little bit of monetary funding that needed from the parents and everybody. Yeah, so I guess that lad is definitely got his dad to sign his coaching classes for sure in football.
That should happen. Rajiv Gandhi International Stadium glowing under the floodlights. The usual cricket pitch is gone, replaced by a pristine green football turf. The stands are packed with almost 55,000 people holding flashlights and everything we can witness here. The happiness on the faces of these footballers here, the young talents. We can see the group pic.
Yeah, totally. I'm so overwhelmed here because the GOAT himself right here in the GOAT Tour 2025 coming out here to promote the game, to make sure, oh, the dad lifts the next big superstar. There he is. He's going away. That's really nice. That was so sweet. And yeah, the dad who I was talking about, who's going to fund all his coaching classes of football. Yeah, that is more needed today, the support from the family. That's why I said, you know, do whatever you want to support your family. Be the family man, be the united person that you can be. Do it, everything that you do to keep the family together, because at the end of it all, it's family, you know. That's what is really needed. And like the GOAT himself, Lionel Messi has earned the entire globe, the entire earth has his family, right, with all the love that is coming towards him from the entire planet. That's really nice. But you know, with all that even going out there, Swarna, I really want to, you know, make sure I say this for people to show so much love and take that inspiration. Yes, it is nice that you see God, you see him, there's eyes filled with joy, of tears and everything. But then take that inspiration. Take that inspiration in life. No matter, you should come out there and play football. Try and be humble. Try and be rooted. Try and be inclusive to everybody. Try and be that sweet little person. Now, there you go. It's so sweet. It's so sweet. Just a lad who's come running to him. And he wants him to sign in the specific place. He wants him to sign in the specific place. He just marked where the sign has to be. Oh, that is so sweet. That's really wonderful gesture from the GOAT himself. Being here, right here in the RGI Stadium, Uppal, Hyderabad. And I'm sure, you know, like we were talking, football is here to stay, football is here to grow, not just in pockets like Kerala or Kolkata or a few parts of Goa as well, but this should go all across the huge country of ours.
Absolutely. We are standing on the shoulders of giants from Rahim Saab, who mastered the 4-2-4 formation right here in these streets in the Hyderabad city. And we have seen to the ISL Championship victory in 2022. We have seen the Hyderabad Football Club there. That brought glory back to the Deccan. And yeah, we are witnessing Rahul Gandhi here.
Yeah, right, as the leader of the opposition is going to join Revath Reddy. He's going to be there with the dignitaries as well. Yeah, he was speaking of the other leagues that happened.
Yes, the recent rise of local Hyderabadi talent in the national team proves that the nursery of Indian football is active again. tonight, this is the bridge between that glorious past and the brilliant future.
Yeah, true. Also, a huge shout out to their Satardu Tatta Initiative India Tour of the GOAT 2025. Huge chances that's been provided to the people of India to soak in the GOAT himself, and right in front of their eyes. Morning he was there in Kolkata, today right here he's in RGI Stadium, Uppal, Hyderabad, as the dignitaries line up as well to have that Messi song that's been playing all across the ground. What a moment. Sports unites everybody. That's more important. And that is where, you know, I guess even Messi will be going out there and meeting the Honorable Prime Minister as well in Delhi. If that happens, that'd be really nice. So sport is one entity that unites everybody, isn't it? No matter which state, which place we come from, sports is sports. And I love this. I love this phase of our life that's happening. You know, no differentiations whatsoever. It's for the sake of sports, and we are all here for sports.
We can see the legends in one frame. The god of football. Beside him, Chief Minister, Mr. Revant Reddy, Rodrigo de Paul, Luis Suarez, and the honorable dignitary there, Mr. Rahul Gandhi.
Chief Minister, we have the Argentinian machine, Rodrigo de Paul, and the Barcelona legend, the Uruguay legend, the Liverpool legend, Luis Suarez.
Can we call upon Uday Reddy Thandla? Uday Reddy Thandla garni ఆహ్వానిస్తున్నాము. ఇది ఇంతకన్నా బెటర్ అవ్వలేదు ఈ ఫ్రేమ్. రాహుల్ గాంధీ గారు ఉన్నారు, గౌరవనీయులు ముఖ్యమంత్రి రేవంత్ రెడ్డి గారు ఉన్నారు, ప్రపంచంలోనే ఫుట్బాల్ లోనే లెజెండ్ మెస్సీ ఉన్నారు, along with Rodriguez. This is incredible Hyderabad.
Well, it is the city of Hyderabad that has witnessed history. It is Lionel Messi who's visited this country, who's come to this country after 14 years, after a long wait, and we cannot be more excited. We've had the match, the legend has witnessed the match himself, and the winners for tonight of the GOAT Cup are the Singareni RR9!
ఉదయ్ థాన్లా గారిని ఆహ్వానిస్తున్నాము. Oh my God, this is the time. The GOAT Cup. The GOAT Cup. RR9 is receiving the GOAT Cup. RR9 is receiving the GOAT Cup. Sir, step forward. Step forward. Chief Minister, sir. Aparna Messi All Stars. Uday garu naru, Uday Thandla garu is here, getting his picture framed along with Aparna Messi All Stars. The GOAT Cup. The GOAT himself is presenting the cup to Aparna Messi All Stars. This cannot get better, Hyderabad. రేవంత్ రెడ్డి గారి వల్ల ఇంకొక 100 సంవత్సరాలు హైదరాబాద్ ఈ షో గురించే మాట్లాడుతుంది. మెస్సీ 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 మెస్సీ. ఇప్పుడు ఫెలిసిటేషన్ జరగబడుతుంది. ముఖ్యమంత్రి రేవంత్ రెడ్డి గారికి స్ఫూర్తిగా కృతజ్ఞతలు తెలపాలి. మనం అందరం కూడా ఇలాంటి ఒక మూమెంట్ మన ముందర వస్తుందని మనం ఎవరు కూడా ఆలోచించుండము. అలాంటిది ఆ గోట్ ని, ఒక లెజెండ్ ని హైదరాబాద్ కి, మన సిటీకి పిలుచుకొని వచ్చి అద్భుతమైన మ్యాచ్, ఎగ్జిబిషన్ మ్యాచ్ జరిపించడమే కాకుండా పిల్లలతో కూడా ఆడారు, అలాగే ట్రోఫీ ప్రెజెంట్ చేశారు. రేవంత్ రెడ్డి గారి విజన్ యాక్షన్ లోకి వచ్చింది. స్పోర్ట్స్ అయినా, ఎడ్యుకేషన్ అయినా, ఎటువంటి ఇన్ఫ్రాస్ట్రక్చర్ అయినా ముఖ్యమంత్రి గారు మన రాష్ట్రాన్ని అభివృద్ధి పరుస్తున్నారు, ముందుకు తీసుకెళ్తున్నారు.
Hyderabad now, we have our Honorable Chief Minister Shri Revanth Reddy here with us, who would like to say a few words.
Mercy, welcome to Telangana. Now Telangana is rising. Come, join the rise. Thank you.
Goat will top now.
Hola a todos, bueno, nada, solo agradecer por el cariño de hoy y de siempre. La verdad que vi muchas cosas antes de llegar acá durante todo este tiempo, durante el último mundial y bueno, muchas gracias por todo el cariño. Es un honor para nosotros poder compartir estos días acá en India con ustedes, así que muy agradecido. Muchas gracias.
So he is very.
She's going to translate for us, everybody.
All of this love, all this show of affection that he is receiving today in this country, and also your participation tonight, and all the people and the Prime Minister. Thank you very much.
He said he's happy to be in Hyderabad.
And he's also, Messi says that he's very happy to be here in Hyderabad with all of you.
Buenas noches. Bueno, nada, espero que estén pasando una noche muy especial, que estén disfrutando. Muchas gracias por todo el amor, por todo el cariño, por apoyarnos tanto en la Copa del Mundo y seguir estando cerca de nuestra selección. Gracias a todos y mucho amor.